Hello and welcome to our executive report on the Ankylosing Spondylitis therapeutics and diagnostics market, providing an exclusive competitive and strategic analysis of the market from 2025 to 2030. The global ankylosing spondylitis, or as therapeutics market, is poised for significant growth, expanding from approximately $6.64 billion in 2020 to an estimated $9.72 billion by 2029. This growth trajectory reflects a compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of 7.75%. This expansion is primarily driven by multiple factors, including the increasing global prevalence of 𝗚𝗏, remarkable advancements in biologic therapies, and the development of improved diagnostic techniques that enable earlier and more precise detection of the disease. To understand the growth of this market, we must consider two key elements: technology push and market pull. On the technology side, innovations in biologic therapies, particularly tumor necrosis factor inhibitors and interleukin-17 inhibitors, have revolutionized as management by concentrating on key inflammatory pathways. Additionally, the introduction of biosimilars, such as adalimumab biosimilars, has increased competition in the market, improving affordability and access for patients. Advancements in diagnostics like MRI and genetic screening for 𝗕𝗓𝗢𝗢𝗓𝗦 are enabling earlier diagnosis and better disease stratification. On the market side, unmet medical needs remain substantial, as a significant proportion of patients do not achieve sustained disease remission with current therapies, indicating the need for novel treatments. Growing patient awareness due to increased education, advocacy, and patient organization efforts is also driving earlier diagnoses and more informed treatment choices. Supportive reimbursement policies in major markets are further expanding patient access to innovative therapies. Considering these factors, here are some of the leading innovators in the space. Novartis with its product Cosentyx, a selective interleukin-17A or IL-17A inhibitor. Secukinumab is indicated for ankylosing spondylitis and non-radiographic axial spondyloarthritis. It is administered via subcutaneous injection every 4 weeks. Sales of Cosentyx, a key revenue driver for Novartis, continue to expand within the inflammatory diseases market. With continued investment in the product and its label expansion, Novartis aims to sustain and grow the Cosentyx franchise throughout the forecast period. Strong patent and regulatory exclusivity protection extends into the late 2020s. AbbVie's Rinvoq, also known as upadacitinib, is a once-daily oral Janus kinase or JAK inhibitor approved for the treatment of AS and other autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis and psoriatic arthritis. In the third quarter of 2024, Rinvoq achieved sales of $1.61 billion, driven by strong performance across all 3 of its approved indications. Looking ahead, Rinvoq's commercial uptake is expected to remain robust as it continues to gain traction in the rheumatoid arthritis market and as new data emerge for additional indications. AbbVie's lead product boasts strong IP protection extending well into the 2030s, contributing to its high valuation. UCB's bimekizumab, marketed under the brand name Bimzelx, is a first-in-class dual IL-17A and IL-17F inhibitor. Approved for the treatment of 𝗚𝗏, psoriatic arthritis, and plaque psoriasis, Bimzelx is administered as a subcutaneous injection every 4 weeks. UCB recently launched Bimzelx in Europe and the US, where it is expected to gain commercial traction over the coming years, supporting UCB's position in the market. Bimzelx has medium to high valuation assigned due to its recent launch and anticipated market adoption. Regulatory exclusivity for Bimzelx extends into the early 2030s, offering a favorable outlook for the product. Amgen with its Enbrel, a tumor necrosis factor or TNF inhibitor, and Amjevita, a biosimilar to adalimumab, indicated for the treatment of AS and other inflammatory conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and psoriasis. Enbrel, which is administered via subcutaneous injection every week or every other week, remains a mature product within Amgen's portfolio, generating stable sales. Meanwhile, Amjevita, the first Humira biosimilar to enter the US market in 2023, offers a more cost-effective alternative for patients. Overall, the Enbrel asset holds a moderate valuation. Omgan-S, Enbrel, and Amjevita benefit from patent protection that extends into the late 2020s and biosimilar exclusivity respectively, contributing to the asset's stability. Johnson & Johnson with its Simponi, a tumor necrosis factor inhibitor. Golimumab is indicated for the treatment of psoriatic arthritis and ulcerative colitis and is administered via subcutaneous injection once every 4 weeks. Simponi is an established therapy within J&J's immunology portfolio. Steady sales and consistent performance support a moderate valuation. Efforts to manage Simponi's lifecycle, including exploring new indications and formulations, could shape its long-term outlook. Overall, the market for therapeutics is dynamic and presents both challenges and opportunities for key players. To thrive in this evolving landscape, companies should prioritize the development of improved formulations, extended release options, or next-generation biologics to extend the commercial lifespan of their products. Additionally, expanding patient access in emerging markets, such as Asia Pacific and Latin America, offers untapped growth potential. Furthermore, investing in companion diagnostics aligned with therapeutic agents can drive personalized medicine and improved outcomes, leading to potential cost savings. Differentiation via convenience, such as offering oral versus injectable formulations or reducing dosing frequency, can enhance patient adherence and improve market competitiveness. Finally, proactively addressing biosimilar competition through pricing strategy, real-world evidence generation, and patient support programs is crucial. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to providing you with more valuable insights in the future.